Dickie had 29 meetings with the monarch and they became firm friends. He said, "I had a letter from her a fortnight before she died. She'd write pretty regular. Her secretary did the letters and she'd sign them. It was so nice. She were the rock of this country." The Yorkshireman, 90, said his MBE and OBE mean more to me than my life, and described his greatest moment was being invited for lunch with the Queen in 1990. He said, "I got the early train from Wakefield and I arrived at the gates of Buckingham Palace at 8:45 a.m. My appointment was at 1 p.m. so I sat in a little coffee shop for 4 hours. The Queen laughed when I told her and said, 'You had better have a drink.' Prince Edward joined us. We had a magnificent lunch, and then it was just the Queen and I in the lounge all afternoon. She had a lovely sense of humor. We talked about cricket and horse racing. She said, 'We think the world of you and we think you do a good job.' That were the best day of my life. Experience the Express like never before. Advert-free experience without interruptions. Rocket fast speedy loading pages. Exclusive unlimited access to all our content. Start 30-day free trial.